Welcome to adaptedlearning.com. Let's take a look at how to search for activities on Adapted Learning. First, in the orange Find What You Need button, enter text to search. You can search by keyword or file title. You will be presented with your search results. Let's take a look at some of the features of your search results. First, each activity is given a type. There are 3 file types on Adapted Learning: BM2 or Boardmaker files, zip files, and ZBP or zipped board packages. Looking at the type of file will let you know what you will be downloading. The next column is interactive. This lets you know if an activity is an on-screen, interactive activity, or print activity. If it says yes, it's an interactive activity and requires Boardmaker Plus or Boardmaker with Speaking Dynamically Pro to use. If it says no, it's a print activity and can be opened with any Boardmaker product. The next column says version. This lets you know the oldest version that is needed to use this activity. If it says 6, you need version 6 to use this activity. If it says 5, you can have version 5 or version 6 to use this activity. You can sort by any of the column titles. If we click on interactive, for example, it will place all of the print activities first. If we click a second time, it will list all of the interactive activities first, followed by the print activities. Let's take a look at this Winter Olympics activity. We're going to select it and then select Show Details, or you can double click on it. This will give you additional information about this activity. If this activity looks like something you'd like to try, select Download, and it will download to the computer you are on. If you'd like to download at a later time, you can select Copy to My Files. If you subscribe to the Adapted Learning Print Editor, you can also select Copy to My Files and Open in Print Editor. Let's close this activity and take a look at another activity. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my page. Here I'll find how many matches there were for this search, 120. I also can specify how many activities I want visible on each page. When I'm ready to scroll to the next page, I can select the Next Page arrow. I'm going to select an activity. And if this is something I want to use, I can select Download. One other thing to point out, if you select an interactive activity with multiple pages, each page of the activity is presented in a thumbnail on the left. This gives you a better sense of all of the boards that make up that activity. That's all you need to know to get started searching for activities on Adapted Learning. Thanks for taking time to learn more about adaptedlearning.com.